Hi everybody, I wanted to take you on a hike with me today down to Sella Bay. Sella Bay is down towards the south of the island, just north of Ummatched. From the tourist district, it'll probably take you 20 to 30 minutes to get there, depending on how many lights you hit. It's a nice out and back trail of about 2 miles, and I would rate it at a moderate difficulty. One of the reasons I really like it is because it gives you the opportunity to see 3 ecosystems on one hike. You begin on the red volcanic hills and slowly descend down into the jungle, the rainforest, and then you come out and you're at the ocean. On this particular hike, I was able to see frogs and hermit crabs and fish, lizards of all kinds, butterflies and other insects, and just an abundance of life. One thing that's really nice about this trail is the parking area, believe it or not. If you're familiar with some Guam trails, you'll know that the trailheads don't always offer the best parking, and there's sometimes some risk of your car getting broken into. But with Sella Bay, the parking area is right off the main road. It's very visible and very safe. Another benefit of this trail is that it's pretty easy to navigate. It gets a good bit of traffic, especially on the weekends, and that keeps the vegetation from overgrowing. It's also well documented online, and you can find it on prominent hiking apps like AllTrails. I would definitely encourage you to bring bug spray. The reason is because when you descend out of the hills into the jungle, I know there's a lot of interesting things down there. You want to stop and look and take pictures, but the mosquitoes down there are vicious. That's a part of the trail I usually move through as quickly as I possibly can, because if I don't, I'll just be covered in mosquito bites by the time I get to the ocean. If you're a history buff, the highlight of the hike is going to be right before you reach the ocean. There's a bridge that was designed and built by the Spanish when they colonized Guam. The original intention of the bridge was to be part of the road that connected the village of Ummatched in the south with the capital of Agana. Just one word to the wise, I definitely encourage you not to expend all your energy on the first half of the hike, because the second half of the hike is almost all uphill and it's significantly harder. If you only have a short period of time on Guam and you're looking for a hike, I definitely encourage you to consider this one. If anyone's done this hike before, let me know down in the comments what your favorite things about it were, and maybe what your favorite hike is if it's not this one. So I hope you enjoy. It's an absolutely beautiful place on an absolutely beautiful island. I'll catch you guys in the next one.